Introducing the ultimate game changer for all ice enthusiasts. Say hello to the remarkable Ice Maker's Countertop, the free village portable ice maker that has taken the market by storm. With an astounding 10,000 plus sales in just the previous month on Amazon, this ingenious appliance is revolutionizing the way we enjoy icy refreshments at home, parties, and even camping adventures. Are you tired of waiting for ages for ice to freeze? Well, get ready to be amazed because this cutting-edge machine produces a generous 9 ice cubes in a mere 6 minutes. Whether you're hosting a summer soiree or craving an ice-cold beverage after an adventurous hike, this sleek black ice maker is your ultimate go-to companion. And that's not all. Its self-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance, leaving you with more time to savor the refreshing moments. Equipped with a convenient ice scoop and basket, you'll have your supply of perfectly chilled cubes ready to quench your thirst in no time. Join the ever-growing community of satisfied customers who have discovered the best-selling secret to ice-making success. Don't miss out on this remarkable innovation that's capturing hearts and chilling glasses everywhere. Get your free village portable ice maker today and experience ice making at its finest. Here are the key features of the free village portable ice maker Countertop. 2023 new and improved ice machine. This ice maker has been upgraded with a new compressor, allowing it to make 9 ice cubes in just 5 to 8 minutes and produce 26 pounds of ice per day. This means you can have a fresh frozen drink at home at any time of the day, as the ice maker's Countertop can produce ice cubes 24 hours a day. Bullet shape and 2 different ice sizes. The free village ice maker machine Countertop offers 2 sizes of ice to choose from. The popular bullet-shaped ice is slow to melt and does not clump together. The large, clear window of the Countertop ice machine allows for easy viewing. This efficient and portable ice maker Countertop is perfect for making cold drinks at parties and camping trips, creating a more enjoyable atmosphere. Portable and compact ice machine maker Countertop. The free village ice maker is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or take with you. The portable ice machine's Countertop are widely used in homes, kitchens, offices, and bars. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We offer a free 1-year warranty. Ultra quiet and durable ice machine maker. This tabletop ice maker machine operates at a very low noise level of fewer than 45 decibels, so you can enjoy the ice making process in a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere. The free village Countertop ice maker is equipped with a quiet cooling fan that quickly dissipates heat from the compressor, allowing for extended use. Ice maker machine with self-cleaning function. The self-cleaning Countertop ice maker can be activated by pressing the on and off button for 5 seconds, eliminating the need to manually clean it. The Countertop ice maker will ensure that every ice drink you make is healthy. Call up all your friends and enjoy fresh cold drinks this hot summer together with our portable ice maker's Countertop Prime Clearance.